Hello happy souls, today's video is about replacing the kicker grip in the Splendor, and I am Tamizh Iyanthiran. The tools details and the price details are mentioned in the description. With a sharp knife, cut the rubber parts and remove it with a plier. Keep your hands safe. After removing, apply some oil or grease inside and the metal parts. The wider opening should go inside, so see, the direction is more important. Just hold the kicker firmly and push the rubber facing the wide opening. Twist and turn till it goes inside. If you feel hotter, pour some oil from other end. Don't use hammer, pliers or any other metal parts, so it could damage the end of the grips and it could easily peel off. It will be a little harder, so take your time. Finally finished. Thank you.